What is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back at the farm working on this 2.7 liter turbo, and in the last video kind of got this thing all put back together finally, and I took it for a drive and pretty much just seemed to do paint left on it. So I just want to do a little bit of high solids primer on the cab corner and on the front of the rocker panel here where I repaired it, and then we can do the paint work. So pretty much just need to paint this front fender, uni side, these two doors, which had a little bit of a ding on this rear door here, and then obviously the front door was new because it was damaged pretty bad. And then just a tiny bit of paint work to do on the box side too. And then I was thinking about color matching the front and rear bumper and the grille in this truck. Still not sure if I'm going to, but might do that. But anyways, let's get this primer laid down here, and then once that dries, I can just sand it out quick and then start all the prep to get this inside painted up. Alright, so I got the high build primer all done. I blocked it all out, and then I went ahead and masked everything off here, and now I got everything into sealer, so I'm pretty much ready to lay down the base coat. I already went ahead and masked off all the little stickers, like the factory stickers. So once I'm done my base coat, I'll just peel them off and I can clear coat over the whole entire thing, and it should look pretty good. So I also went and put a little bit of rock art back on the bottom, so it all matches the factory line. Got a little bit on there. So, but everything's looking pretty good, and we can pretty much hammer down some base coat now. Alright, so I got the base coat and clear coat laid down here, and it turned out pretty darn nice. So I just went ahead and peeled these stickers off before I clear coated it, and it looks pretty good, and just cleared it over top of them, and then painted and cleared over top of the rock art on the bottom there, so it looks just like factory, and the dent and everything looks really nice. So I will probably just it's already pretty dry here. I'll probably just let it sit overnight here, and in the morning I can pull this thing out, and I'll probably paint the doors next, and maybe the box if I can push that dent out pretty quick. And then that front fascia piece needs to be painted too. So, and then I guess I'll decide if I'm gonna color match the bumpers or not. But anyways, I'll let this sit overnight, and we'll catch you tomorrow. All right, it's just the next day here, and I went ahead and threw the wheel back on and the hood back on and unwrapped it all, and it's looking pretty darn nice. So all the stickers on the side look really good, and where I repaired that little dent in the front fender here, all looks pretty much factory. So I'm just gonna start it up here. I'm gonna back this truck out, and then I want to throw the doors in the booth here, and this front fascia and a few other little things, and I can get them painted up, and then I guess I'll do the box next. Alright, it's got the doors and the upper bumper cover in the paint booth here. We just finished sanding them all out, so they're pretty much ready to paint. I just need to do a little bit of masking, mask these two doors off here, and then I should be able to just lay down the sealer on these. So I just had one little spot. I had some high solids on here where I had to repair it, but besides that, these ones were all good. This was like that takeoff door I used, and then just a new bumper cover right there, or upper bumper cover there. So I'm just going to do a little bit of masking, and then we should be able to shoot the sealer. Alright, so I just finished laying down the clear coat and it turned out awesome, and it's just like glass. So got both doors done here and this front fascia, so that's the last of everything I'm going to paint on the truck, except for I don't think I'm going to paint the chrome for now. Try to sell it and see if they do want a color match, then I guess I can do that then for them. But anyways, it's going to be a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching and tune in for the next one. Peace.